Hello there, it's Leslie here, and I wanted to share with you some beautiful new brushes that we have in a gorgeous kit. So happy May, and here we go. I wanted to share with you, it's sold as a kit, but of course you can always buy these individually as well. However, if it's time to get some new brushes, wash those old little big boys out, and time to refresh, I wanted to share with you, this is my new favorite collection. So let me start. The first one is our number 2B. Now, this is a brand new hair or bristle that we have had from before. This is a luxury synthetic, and you have to feel it. It's just so soft and it's beautiful. This is a completely vegan brush. They're all synthetic, even though they do look like they are a natural bristle. They are so incredibly soft, and they pick up product just so softly and apply it all over the face. So the number 2B is designed to use more with powders. I would say you could also use them with blush, and it just glides onto the skin super soft. The next one that we have is our new number 2 brush. This one has the angle, and it is again the Luxe vegan brush as well, the Luxe synthetic bristle. And by the way, if you are not familiar with our CARA brushes, our brushes are, okay, so I designed each one of these brushes, and they're all made in the US. These are high quality, long lasting brushes. I've had some of my brushes for 10, close to 15 years, some of them, and I use brushes a lot. So if you take care of your brushes, you are going to have a good quality brush for a long time. It's an investment. These are not $2 brushes that you're going to pay for. It is an investment, but the more beautiful the brush, the more beautiful your application is going to be. So having this brush, now let me just show you the difference between one and the other. You can see just in the size of the brush too, and it's very important to understand that you have to have a brush that's going to fit your face. So I don't like brushes that are overly big, because then you have a huge product placement. And even though I do have a big face, I don't want a whole lot of product all over my face. I like to be strategic. And for those of you that have worked with me, you know I like to build product. I don't like to put a lot of product and then buff it out. I like to build product, put a little bit, and then I like to build it up. So not only having this gorgeous, soft, beautiful bristle that with our new brushes, because I'm just a brush nerd and I love them, but it really just makes such a difference. And you know, for those of you that have purchased some of our brushes in the past, you know how long they last, and these are even better. I mean, they're just so beautiful, and they're going to just give you this really nice, soft, translucent application. Okay, enough said. The new brush that I designed is number 25. Number 25 is designed for a couple of reasons. So look at the difference between the number 2B and the 25, right? So this one, you can see it's a bigger dome. This one's a little bit flatter, not super flat, but a little bit flatter. Same luxury synthetic hair. And this one, I really designed it to Strategically either apply powder. You can apply it like in different areas. Also, it's amazing to apply powder like underneath the eye area. And I also designed these to apply skin shimmer. So I love to apply skin shimmer, so you're not getting that swipe all over the face. You're getting it right here wherever you specifically want to apply it. So it is, here's my thumb, here's the brush, so you can kind of see about the size of what this brush is like. And it's super soft. I really love it. I've been using it a lot. I even use it for, like makeup artists, if you want to get a really soft spot foundation type of look. I love it like this. Another thing I want to share with you, and forgive me because I can go on and on with brushes, but it's how you hold your brush, okay? I see clients grabbing their brush and they're grabbing it here and applying it. Take your brush, use the handle. The handle's there for a reason. Take your brush, hold it. The further back you hold it, the softer the application's going to be. The closer you hold your brush, the stronger, the harder the application is going to be. So start with playing around and getting a feel and using it further back. That's going to completely change your game on how you're using brushes. Okay, next one, number 3, concealer brush. Girls, you gotta use a concealer brush. The older we get, the more strategy we need. And using a brush to apply your concealer is not only going to feather it in better, but it's also it's maximizing your product. It's not about more is more is better. It's about really just being specific and strategic and buffing it out. And this is going to help with avoiding that buildup into fine lines and creases. So number 3, concealer brush is a must. Gotta have it. Next one. Here we go. Number 15. This is our fabulous crease brush. I love this. I gotta have it. I have hooded eyes. I need to create some softness and build some smokiness on my eyes because I don't have any lids. And the longer we go, the more in the hood I go. So that's just the brush that you gotta have. Number 15. Okay, the partner to 15. This is a beautiful marriage. It's number 22. Sorry, number 23. And 23 is designed. So you have with number 15, you have a bigger space with this brush to create a crease. Number 23 is the little sister, and this one goes in and really defines even more. It's also beautiful for creating smokiness underneath the eye. So I love 23. The two of them together are just like a match made in heaven. And then you've got 2 more in your set, right? So you have the number 22. This is also designed for us that have smaller lids or that you want more intensity with your product. This is a fabulous little brush. As you can see right here, okay, it is small, and compared to like the 15, this one is a lot flatter, and it is kind of like a little packer brush in the sense I love to use this, and I love to use it right onto the lid. So you're just placing product right here. You can also wet it if you want to, and it'll give you like that pop, you know, of shadow right onto the lid. And it's just a great little brush. The nice thing about it is the size, because you don't want it to be too big where all of a sudden now it's just covered everything that you've done with contouring and shadowing and whatnot. This is just really for kind of adding a little bit more dimension. And then the last one, this one is our 24 brush, and it has a little straight edge. It's super, super thin also. So you're gonna get a really thin line right as a liner brush. So this is, so you have in the whole collection, okay, you have everything that you need to create a gorgeous makeup look, from face brushes to eyeshadow brushes to liner brushes. And then you're gonna throw all of these in your brand new kit, zip it up, and off you go, ready for vacation, ready for travel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you, and give your brushes a bath, wash them out, see how they're doing. If they're falling apart, you got a lot of fallout, you got a lot of hair, it's time to replace. These are our new, beautiful, gorgeous brushes with new hair. So I wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.